To change the battery on this particular motion detector, we'll want to press on the tab located at the top. By pressing on the top, we'll leave the mounting plate located still on the wall. And the other part will be in our hand. You'll notice that there will be a red light that will turn on. This will happen anytime that the motion detector is tampered with, and will actually stay on up to a minute after the motion detector is remounted. This is known as the walk test mode, and is a good way to test to see where your motion detector will detect you. On the back side, there'll be one battery to replace. I recommend using a small flathead screwdriver to pop this battery out. This is a small CR123A battery and can be bought at most drugstores or found online. To insert the battery, put it back in following the positive and negative displayed on the device. You'll also notice on the back that there is a jumper. This jumper can be moved over to increase the sensitivity of your motion detector. By default, these motion detectors come PET immune. By switching this, they will no longer be PET immune. Technicians typically install these as PET immune and will only switch over at a customer's request. If you're looking to get more sensitivity out of your motion detector, you just have to pull this jumper out, ensuring that it covers at least 2 of the prongs. From there, we want to reattach the back plate. I recommend going from the bottom to the top.